everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Byline Bank account online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in www.bylinebank.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official web page of Byline Bank, mouse over to the logins option at the top right and select where you'd like to log into your personal banking, business banking, or wealth management. Select any one option and you'll be taken to the login area. If you've not yet signed up for Byline online banking account, then simply click on this sign up link under not yet enrolled. Follow the instructions till the end to finish off your registration. And once you have an account, you can easily access it whenever you want by entering your user ID in the sign in area and click on continue. Follow through the on-screen prompts till the end. Continue with the security code. Select a mobile phone number that is registered with your account and select the option if you'd like to receive a call with an OTP or a text and click continue. On the next page, you'll need to type in the one-time security code sent to your mobile number via SMS or any other options you've chosen. And then, once you enter it, click on the submit button and follow the instructions to log in and access your Byline Bank account online. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.